Hello friends, this is my 8th video and I'm going to continue with the same passage in this video. In the last video I did short answer questions. You can see the underlined part of that, and I have also underlined the tips that I taught you according to that, the two keywords of other two types of questions, so 3G technology and FDD. But so far, while doing question type 1, the short answer question, I haven't found any of the keyword. So I will start reading further. You can see it has already been underlined. So I'll start reading from here. So let me find the keyword first. If you can recall, the keyword is FDD for the second question type. Let me see, is it the same? FDD, fine. So FDD is the keyword that will help me to locate the answer. And the first question is, two signals sent dash, means how, perhaps how do they send, and I have to write two words. So let me go back. FDD, two signals sends how, right? So FDD, I'm looking for mobile communication in duplex technology, two frequencies available. This two frequencies can be obtained by the principle of frequency. So that is FDD. I've got it, right? Well, I have to find the two something sent how, to send two signals. So that's the main keyword of the question that I got. Two signals wirelessly. So signals are sent wirelessly, that is the answer. So let me go back to the question. Does it fit here, wirelessly? Two signals sent wirelessly, so that is the answer. Let's move to the next keyword. Two bands together known as a task. So two bands, I have to find out two bands, and together how are they known as, right? So start reading from here. I got the last answer. It is necessary to create a paired spectrum where one band carries the uplink from the phone to antenna and the other carries the downlink from antenna to phone. What is saying? Two signals and it is necessary to create a paired spectrum. Paired spectrum, I forgot the question. I have to see what was that. Underline word was two bands, so that is pair. Two bands together known as, I think it's paired spectrum. Two bands together to send two signals. Okay, so that again is the keyword. Wirelessly, it is necessary to create a paired spectrum. So one band, two bands. So there are two bands, you can see. I think the symbol is not right, so nothing, right? So it's paired spectrum, that is the answer. One band, two band, there are two bands, so they are known as paired spectrum, right? So answer is paired spectrum, and you are allowed to use two words, right? Now you can see that, look at the picture. They're saying that perhaps mobile is signaling something, sending something to the tower or the mast, and they are receiving something. So we have to find out what are they sending, what are they receiving. Let's see. I go back to the place where I left it here. It is necessary to create a paired spectrum, we got that, where one band carries the uplink from phone to antenna. What they are carrying? They are carrying uplink from phone to antenna, that is one answer, and the other carries the downlink from antenna to phone, that is another answer, right? So you got both answers together, you can see, right? So one carries from phone to antenna, so that one is phone to antenna. So moving down, we can see we got both the answer together. So that is uplink and that is downlink. And so far I haven't got the keyword, this one. Have I got it? because that's also important. You need to note and drop a hint. I don't think so far I have got this word. So in the next video we will move forward from here, where we got the answer, this down link and up link, right? So we will start reading from here in the next video. That's all from this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.